the night of June the 6th, weapons
गगन
allegedly
तमामा
recovered from
बाजियो
the residence were displayed
ओ
to the
गगन
world.
तमामा
The
बाजियो परे
casualties
निशाने
were not.
कहो
Official
खेत
figures
जो
for the
मांडियो
fatalities
सूरमा
were 83
अब
soldiers
दूजन
and
को दाओ
492
बोले सोनिया श्रिया काले
the thousands.
साउंड प्लीज ओके कटार कहते हैं रावण टाइम पे इस प्रकार इसना दुश्मन नु चुप चुपीते काय इनका जा सकता हाँ शाबाश बाजा वालिया तेरे सुनिया बाजा वालिया तेरे स्कूल च पढ़न दी लगदी फीस कोई ना तेरे स्कूल च पढ़न दी लगदी फीस कोई ना जदों जाती मरी तेरे स्कूल अंदर जदों जाती मरी तेरे स्कूल अंदर पढ़न वाले तड़ांदे फीस ही कोई ना बोले सोनिया
we all got tigers. Stepping down the code language, it ain't no decipher. Find that most dangerous, the hype here was tough on those balls in all language, but I pick up the mic and run. Mind dangerous, we all got tigers.
ओ यस कृपान खंडो खड़क ओ यस कृपान खंडो खड़क तुकम तवर और तीर साहिब तुरई सहती यही हमारे पीर पीर तू ही सहती तू ही तवर तलवार नाम तुम्हारा जो जब पे सिंध वो पार काल तू ही काली तू ही तेगर तीर तू ही निशानी जीत की आज तू ही जगबीर लोकी कहन कृपान तलवार तेनू मेरे वास्ते सोनी शमशीर है तू बस इस तो वध के तेरी सिफत करे मेरे वास्ते पीरां दा पीर है तू बोले सोनिया
Mind dangerous, we all got tigers. Stepping down the code language, it ain't no decipher. Find that most dangerous, the hype here was tough on those balls in all language, but I pick up the mic and run. Mind dangerous, we all got tigers. Stepping down the code language, it ain't no decipher. Find that most dangerous, the hype here was tough on those balls in all language, but I pick up the mic and run.
चेंज द म्यूजिक
Is the king of music. It's our responsibility to keep the legendary Tenji's alive. Get what they saw in the jungle. They lost their life. They never ready to die. That sacrifice.
बोले सोनिया
Mind dangerous, we all got tigers. Stepping down the code language, it ain't no decipher.
ट्रैक चेंज कर दो प्लीज ट्रैक
The hype here was tough on those balls in all language, but I pick up the mic and run. Mind dangerous, we all got tigers. Stepping down the code language, it ain't no decipher. Find that most dangerous, the hype here was tough on those balls in all language, but I pick up the mic and run.
साउंड प्लीज जब जंग में अपने साथी के पास हथियार नहीं होता था तब ऐसे मुंह में कृपान डालकर सिंह अपने साथी को हथियार देता था ताकि वो अपनी रक्षा खुद कर सके।
निहाल दे जकारे
बना लो सीट ते वो ही बनाना चलो फड़ी भाई
To hear the sound of fireworks during festivals. But this time, a different kind of explosion echoed the skies of Rembrandt's service.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई थिंक आप सभी की तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट बताएगी गतका की परफॉर्मेंस। एक बार जोरदार परफॉर्मेंस के लिए तालियां प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू। भाई कहते हैं किसी भी काम का आगाज परमपिता परमेश्वर की आराधना में दीप प्रज्वलित करे बिना न कभी हुआ है न कभी होगा। और हिंदुस्तान में रीत रिवाज के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलन की प्रथा सदियों से चलती आई है।
हर जर्रा महकता है अनवरे इलाही से, हर जर्रा महकता है अनवरे इलाही से, हर सांस से कहती है हम हैं तो खुदा भी है। आइए दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ इस सेरेमोनियल, इस वेरी वेरी ऑस्पिशियस अवार्ड सेरेमनी को और भी ज़्यादा स्पेशल बनाएं। लैंप लाइटिंग के लिए मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी हमारे चीफ गेस्ट को स्टेज पर। आर्किटेक्ट श्री MMS सयाली जी, जोरदार तालियों के साथ आपका स्वागत कीजिए स्टेज पर। साथ ही आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी मैं उनके टीम मेंबर्स इंजीनियर कुलदीप सिंह जी और आर्किटेक्ट PJ सिंह जी को। लैंप लाइटिंग के लिए साथ ही आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को from Sun Design Interior Private Limited and Sun Event Management Private Limited, the directors of the company, Mr. Tushar Chawla, Mr. Dheeraj Virmani and Ms. Pallavi Virmani. हमारे आज के चीफ गेस्ट आर्किटेक्ट MMS सयाली जी। He has graduated in architecture in 1951 from the School of Planning and Architecture and a postgraduate in urban design from the University of Durham at King's College, Newcastle. He started his career with Punjab Capital Project involving the planning and development of Chandigarh. He is responsible for the antibiotic project IDPL at Rishikesh, UP, and involved in Barauni refinery in Bihar. He came across General Harkirat Singh, who inspired him to join military engineering services. Our esteemed guests have arrived on the stage. I'll request them to kindly light the ceremonial lamp and to mark the very special beginning of the awards ceremony, which is soon to follow. With a bouquet of flowers, we would like to welcome our very special guests for the day. आइए एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, please.
And thereafter, with the lighting of the inaugural lamp, would we start with the IAD Awards 2009, the formal inauguration happening now. और मैंने आपसे शुरुआती दौर में भी बोला था, एक बार फिर से मैं बोले देता हूं कि बात निकली है तो दूर तक जाएगी और काफ़ी अवार्डीज हमारे बीच यहाँ मौजूद हैं. इट्स बीन अ वेल फॉट कॉम्पिटिशन हियर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेक श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ लाइट लिट अप विथ the contestants coming on the stage and being winners.
शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्य धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते. I fold my hands before the light that brings prosperity, auspiciousness, good health, abundance of wealth, and the destruction of enemy intellect. Here the darkness symbolizes the energy intellect, the enemy intellect, and with the arrival of light, the darkness disappears. Light is considered as a symbol of prosperity, and we sincerely hope, as we light the ceremonial lamp, we begin our journey of the IAD Awards 2009 one more time in a very, very grand manner.
पहली बार जब आगाज हुआ था आईएडी अवार्ड्स का तो एक ऐतिहासिक शुरुआत हुई थी सिटी फोर्ड ऑडिटोरियम में और आज दूसरी बार आप सभी के सामने मौजूद हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं आने वाले कई वर्षों तक इसी तरह ये आईएडी अवार्ड्स इसी तरह दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करते रहेंगे आप सभी के अपार सहयोग से. एंड henceforth we begin with the IAD Awards 2009 Excellence in Interiors and Architecture Designs right here.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, प्लीज. Thank you very much for all our esteemed dignitaries who joined us in the lighting of the lamp. Thank you very much for making this very, very special occasion even more special.
And now is the time for the awards, the IAD Awards 2009. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से आगाज करते हैं, please everyone. Let's hear it for IAD Awards 2009. And we are going to start with the first category of awards, the Student Awards, the IAD Best Student Civil Engineer Award. These awards were by the selection of assumed civil part done of any commercial or residential project designed during the calendar year 2008 and 2009. The nominees of the Student Civil Engineering category are Architect Bhakti Vasant Chitale from Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, and Arjun Sil from Bangalore, Karnataka. To give away the award, I would like to call up on the dais Hafiz Sahab, who's a civil engineer from Taj Architects. Please, can we have you here on the dais, please, sir?
Ladies and gentlemen, these awards are very, very special. आप में से ही कुछ लोग इन awards को लेके जाने वाले हैं, इसलिए आप सभी से एक बार फिर रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, जैसे ही nominees का नाम अनाउंस हो, I think they are those special ones which have been chosen. Please जोरदार तालियां बजाते रहिए.
और आपसे दरख्वास्त इतनी है कि when you clap for others, others would clap for you. मैं स्टेज पे आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा हाफिज जी को कि वो आएँ स्टेज पर give away the award for the IAD Best Student Civil Engineer Award. Mr. Hafiz, who is a civil engineer from Taj High Tech Limited. Sir, let's hear it for Hafiz Saab, please. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for everyone who comes on the dais. And now giving away the awards for the IIT, the best students, civil engineers. We'll start with number 2. At number 2, any guesses at the back, please? Anyone taking a name here? No. Itna sannata kyun hai mere bhai? The second IIT Best Student Civil Engineer Award goes to Arjun Sil. Arjun is pursuing his PhD from IISc Bangalore and has done his MTech in Earthquake Engineering from NIT Silchar in first class. Can we have Arjun on the dais, please? Arjun Sil from Bangalore.
Congratulations to the winner.
Runners-up in the category of the IIT Best Student Civil Engineer, Arjun Sil from Bangalore, Karnataka. Congratulations, Arjun. And let's hear it for him, please, everyone. The competition has been closely fought, and as the winners come on the dais, there's always the next time, so keep up the hard work. At number 1, the award for the Best Student Civil Engineer goes to Architect Bhakti Vasant Chitale. Let's hear it for Bhakti, please, everyone. The first IIT Best Student Civil Engineer Award goes to Architect Bhakti Vasant Chitale, a gold medalist architect working in architecture and town planning for the last 4 years. She has just completed her MTech in town and country planning from College and Engineering, Pune. Bhakti Chitale, please. Let's hear it for the winner, please. The Best Student Civil Engineer, the IIT Best Student Civil Engineer is Bhakti. Congratulations, Bhakti. मैं हफीज साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा शुक्रिया से
Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we move to the second category in the student awards. Well, it is rightly said that an architect is a drawer of dreams, and every award that comes out here is building a dream for each and every one of you. The next award that will be here will be the IIT Best Student Interior Designer Commercial. I'll request as soon as we announce the nominees to please assemble right next to the stage. Awards are by selection of assumed interior work done of commercial building, tower, college, hospital, shopping mall, showroom and related